Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect Docker Desktop Toolkit MCPs to the Google CLI to get Gemini working with MCPs inside ZED. First, you need to download all the tools. In my case, I'm Windows 11. Let's set ZED to use Google Gemini. Enter your Gemini API key here. The API key can be created in Google AI Studio. Select the Google CLIs as the agent. Let's ask to interact with a web application. You can see that it can't connect to the MCP servers yet. Start Docker Desktop. Go to the MCP toolkit. If it doesn't appear, try Update Docker Desktop. Today we are going to test these two MCPs, but you can find others in the catalog. With your MCPs added, let's now integrate them with Google CLI. Alright, now you need to start a new chat section to refresh the connection. If it doesn't refresh, try and close and reopen ZED. You can see that it's making requests to the MCP server. Let's check if what it returned is actually the result from the web application.